we continue to keep you ahead on the Wazirgate scandal and the investigation that is underway. Remember, it is the NIA that is questioning Parambir Singh, and the latest development that we are bringing for you, encounter specialist Pradeep Sharma, who is at the NIA office. Remember, the NIA has indicated towards how they are trying to unearth the deeper network that was involved, because this is not just restricted to Sachin Waze or Parambir Singh, but the NIA is saying that there were many more officers who could be involved in the Wazirgate scandal. Republic was the first channel to have accessed that sensational report that the police had submitted to the Maharashtra government. The report that clearly indicated that when it came to Sachin Waze being reinstated in the Mumbai police, it was a decision that was taken by none other than Parambir Singh. And now Alisha is joining me on the broadcast to tell us more about Pradeep Sharma, who's an encounter specialist. And I believe, Pradeep, I beg your pardon, I believe, Alisha, as we stay with those pictures, Pradeep Sharma is at the NIA office. What more will you be able to share with us?
देखिए सुरेश, एक बड़ा डेवलपमेंट हम देख रहे हैं एनआईए ऑफिस में, जहां पर एनकाउंटर स्पेशलिस्ट है प्रदीप शर्मा एनआईए ऑफिस में पहुंच चुके हैं और उनसे भी पूछताछ जब एनआईए की ओर से की जाएगी। हालांकि आज के दिन में यानी 25 दिन के जो इंट्रोगेशन सचिन वाजे के साथ किए गए और कई ऐसे खुलासे एनआईए ऑफिसर्स के सामने हुए। देखिए, हमने पहले भी बताया था कि एक मीटिंग जो है, एक मीटिंग 4 मार्च को की गई थी। ये मीटिंग पे जहाँ पर खुद सचिन वाजे मौजूद थे और कई दूसरे ऑफिशियल्स मौजूद थे, जिसमें से एक सस्पेक्ट प्रदीप शर्मा पर भी लगाए जा रहे थे। एक सवाल जो है वो प्रदीप शर्मा पर लगाए जा रहे थे और जिसको देखते हुए खुद एनआईए की टीम सचिन वाजे के साथ रात के 10 बजे से लेकर सुबह 4 बजे तक जो है वेस्टर्न मुंबई में, जहां पर अंधेरी, मरोल, चकाला, वडाला, इन सभी जगह पर एनआईए की टीम सचिन वाजे के साथ पहुंची थी और वहां पर क्राइम सीन जो है वो रिक्रिएट किया गया था। क्योंकि उस मीटिंग को लेकर, यानी मनसुख हिरेन के डेथ से एक दिन पहले जहां एक मीटिंग की गई थी, जहां पर सचिन वाजे मौजूद थे और एनआईए को शक है कि प्रदीप शर्मा भी उस पर मौजूद थे। हालांकि एनआईए के ऑफिशियल स्टेटमेंट के लिए, ऑफिशियल कंफर्मेशन के लिए क्या इसी की वजह से प्रदीप शर्मा को बुलाया गया, इसके लिए इंतजार करना होगा। लेकिन जहां एक तरफ एनआईए की क्वेश्चनिंग परमबीर सिंह से की जा रही है, पिछले 3 घंटों मतलब 9:30 बजे खुद परमबीर सिंह जो कि एनआईए ऑफिस में पहुंचे थे और अब हम देख रहे हैं कि 3.5 घंटे से ज्यादा तक का समय हो चुका है जहां पर परमबीर सिंह के साथ लगातार क्वेश्चनिंग की जा रही है। वहीं पर अब प्रदीप शर्मा भी एनआईए ऑफिस में पहुंचे, उनसे भी सवाल किए जाएंगे और सबसे पहला फोकस जो है वो एनआईए का इस पर रहेगा जो मीटिंग सचिन वाजे के साथ हुई थी और जो खुलासे कहीं ना कहीं सचिन वाजे ने अपने इंट्रोगेशन के दौरान किए हैं। और यही बातें आज कोर्ट के सामने एनआईए रखेगी भी, क्योंकि आज सचिन वाजे की कस्टडी खत्म हो रही है और वहीं पर सचिन वाजे को आज कोर्ट के सामने प्रोड्यूस किया जाएगा और ये सारी चीजें रखी जाएगी। फिर चाहे क्राइम सीन रिक्रिएट किया गया हो, फिर चाहे वो अंधेरी इलाके पर हो, या फिर हमने देखा कि खुद सीएससी स्टेशन और कलवा स्टेशन पर जहां पर लगातार क्राइम सीन रिक्रिएट किए गए। यानी ये मीटिंग को लेकर आज सबसे पहला पूछताछ जो है वो अब प्रदीप शर्मा से की जाएगी।
But Alisha, help us also understand, why is Pradeep Sharma now becoming a very important person in this story? Was he someone who was working very closely with Sachin Waze? Was he also someone who was reporting to Parambir Singh? Was it a bigger network as the NIA is indicating, and they are trying to now find out who are the other cops who were involved, who was taking instructions from whom? What were the sensitive cases they were dealing with? Any connection with the Mansukh Hiren case? The explosives that were planted? What more do we know? I'm not too sure if Alisha is still connected with us, but remember, she is tracking the story very closely and keeping us ahead on all the updates coming in from the NIA. These are pictures that we stay with of the encounter specialist Pradeep Sharma, who is also at the NIA office now. Lots is happening when it comes to this case, because early this morning we also got you those pictures of Parambir Singh, who is now being interrogated by the NIA, and now Pradeep Sharma, who also becomes a very important character and person in this story. But what exactly is the link? Alisha will be able to tell us more, because Republic is the only channel that got you that sensational report the report that was submitted by the police to the Maharashtra government, the report that clearly states that Sachin Waze was reporting only and only to Parambir Singh and not to the other officers. And when it came to the decision of being Sachin Waze being reinstated, that decision was taken by none other than Parambir Singh. So what exactly is this bigger network about? Who are the other cops who are involved? The NIA going deep into this case, and the latest, of course, being Pradeep Sharma. The pictures that you see right on your screens, he is also an encounter specialist, and he is present there at the NIA office, who will be now answering the questions of the NIA. Now, several angles that are being probed when it comes to the Mansukh Hiren case, when it comes to these explosives that were planted, who was the mastermind, who were the cops who were reporting to Parambir Singh, and I believe Priyanka is also joining us. Priyanka, as we stay with these pictures, Pradeep Sharma, an encounter specialist who is at the NIA office, and he is being questioned by the officials. But important to understand why this person is now becoming an important part of this story. Was he working with Sachin Waze? Was he also reporting to Parambir Singh? Who are the other cops who are involved? Over to you, Priyanka.
Well, yes, as we had been talking about that the NIA does not feel like the buck stops at Sachin Waze. There are several top cops whose name was coming to the forefront, and now we have those cops working inside of the NIA office. Mere minutes before Sachin Waze is supposed to be produced at the NIA court, we have the encounter specialist Pradeep Sharma himself, whose involvement is now very clear in this entire matter, because Pradeep Sharma has been brought into the NIA office for questioning about his involvement in the entire matter of not just the Antalya bomb scare, but also the Mansukh Hiren murder case, and also the entire Vasuli Gate scandal that we have been probing from the very beginning. So now this is an entire network that is being exposed of the Mumbai police, and it is not just the present-day cops, but also the former cops who have now joined certain political parties whose name is now coming to the forefront. Pradeep Sharma is a very well-known, a controversial figure when it comes to the Mumbai police, and has been known for carrying out several controversial cases and encounters as well. And he has had, after retiring from the police force, he has had political inclinations as well. So now those things will also be taken into consideration, because now this is not just about the Mumbai police. It is about the current day political parties and the government machinery that is operating in the entire state of Maharashtra, where in fact the buck will stop it. And we will have to wait for a few minutes, in fact, when Pradeep Sharma, Parambir Singh, all of these top cops are actually inside of the NIA office, and they will be questioned there about their entire involvement in the Mansukh Hiren murder case, and also the Vasuli Gate scandal, and all of these other aspects of the entire investigation that the NIA is actually carrying out. And now the preliminary inquiry also that is being carried out by the CBI really goes to show a clear picture as to what exactly had been going on, at least in Mumbai, and what this entire network was all about.
Mumbai, and what this entire network was all about, that these cops were the ones who were being answered to by these people like Sachin Waze, who were carrying out all of those Vasuli Gates, all of those illegal activities. Now this is exactly where the plot thickens, and the NIA investigating agencies are also looking at political inclinations of all of these top cops, former cops as well, and in probably an hour from now, we will have a more clear picture, because today's NIA court hearing is going to be sensational, when the NIA put forth several of these arguments about the findings that they have found out by confronting these top cops like Parambir Singh, like Pradeep Sharma now, and also of course Sachin Waze, who has been in custody, and they have claimed that plethora of evidence is in their hand with which they are going to confront all of these top cops, all of these accused in this entire matter. So we will have to wait just an hour from now, when Sachin Waze will have to be brought here at the NIA court, and the NIA legal team is expected to make some arguments about the involvement of these top cops as well. And as we have earlier also brought out these reports that have been submitted by the Mumbai Police Home Department itself, where they have said that Sachin Waze did not actually report to anybody except for Parambir, then that it makes it very amply clear that he was the one giving him orders. He was the one who was being answered to by Sachin Waze as well. And this is exactly what we can expect the arguments of the NIA that will be put forth in the NIA court as well.
Priyanka, that is exactly what I wanted to talk to you about, because let's not forget how the NIA is going deeper into this case. Newer names that are emerging, Parambir Singh and Pradeep Sharma, who are at the NIA office, other cops who are being probed, and most importantly, how the NIA is also wanting to seek an extension to the custody of Sachin Waze, because they believe that Sachin Waze will be able to reveal a lot more. They have expressed in the past how he has not been cooperating, also how they have been going about all these days, as there has been a recreation of several crime scenes, of how he has been physically taken to the location to recreate the incident there. And then, of course, drawing this link between Sachin Waze, Parambir Singh, Pradeep Sharma, are there any other cops involved? So really for that, as the NIA is investigating, it is important that all of this comes together, and this is exactly why they will be doing the same at the NIA court today, seeking an extension of custody of Sachin Waze.
Well, yes, that's exactly what we can expect, Priyanka, because earlier as well, the NIA had been saying that the buck does not stop with Sachin Waze. In fact, it has a clear involvement of the top cops, and the report today is a clear clincher that it is not just Sachin Waze who had been a police officer who had gone rogue, but there was a premeditated intention as to why Sachin Waze was reinstated into the police force by Parambir Singh, and why there was an autocracy of sort, and only Parambir Singh was the one who was being apprised of all the actions of Sachin Waze as well. These questions are something that Parambir Singh will also be asked, and apart from that, the involvement of Pradeep Sharma is a huge, it's going to be a huge piece of evidence in piecing together this entire puzzle of exactly what really was going on in this entire network, because now we have to remember that this is not just the police, the Mumbai police that we're looking at. A home minister, a sitting home minister of a national party in Maharashtra, had to resign over the allegations of these bribes and also the Vasooli gate. So all of these things will have to be taken into consideration as we piece together these investigating agencies' inputs that we are also getting, and the kind of movement that we are seeing at the NIA office really goes to show that the plot is getting deeper, and something that the NIA officials and the legal team of the NIA is
to interrupt you here, but Atul Bhatkarkar from the BJP is now joining us on the phone line. Atul ji, you have been watching all the developments of what is happening. The NIA is interrogating Parambir Singh. Former encounter specialist Pradeep Sharma is also now being questioned by the officials. Of course, what is to happen at the NIA court, where the NIA will seek an extension of custody of Sachin Waze. What do you make of all this that is happening as the NIA is probing the deeper network, and do you think this will eventually lead to a larger political link?
Definitely political link, but before going to up to the political link, NIA has to unearth this all police gang, Vasooli gang in police department. Now they are interrogating Parambir Singh. Now they are called Pradeep Sharma. Sachin Waze is already in their custody. So many more officers they have to call, and then this link will go up to the 6th floor of Mantralaya.
But what do you make of this? Because even the police has submitted a report to the Maharashtra government that has made it amply clear that when it came to reinstating Sachin Waze, that decision was taken by Parambir Singh. Not just this, he would not report to other officers, but only to Parambir Singh. And Parambir Singh was the one to instruct him who to arrest, where to conduct a raid. So what was this all about?
See, that depends on what Sachin Waze has told to the NIA. Nobody is privy to that till today. But on record, Parambir Singh has recommended for Sachin Waze is a fact. But if you see that this from political angle, incumbent Chief Minister of Maharashtra was pressurizing even Devendra Fadnavis when he was CM to take back into the service Sachin Waze, and on that report ultimately signed by Anil Deshmukh and Chief Minister of Maharashtra. On the floor of the assembly, when we demanded sacking of Sachin Waze, Chief Minister defended Sachin Waze like anything. So I am sure that Paramveer Singh was instrumental in Sachin Waze's back into the force, but Paramveer Singh is a one pawn. The ultimate authority is the Chief Minister of Maharashtra. And so this will lead finally to the Chief Minister of Maharashtra.
I definitely agree that that is the next obvious question, because if Paramveer Singh was the boss of Sachin Waze, point is whose instructions was Paramveer Singh following? We leave it at that. Atul Bhatkarkar, many thanks for speaking to Republic. We move on.